Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download OBS Studio into your Windows operating system for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we have to go for our browser. I go for Google Chrome browser. You can go for any of your favorite browser. And then you just need to come over here in the search option and search for OBS Studio. You can see, click on that. And after that, you will get this kind of option into the obsproject.com. So click on OBS Studio. And now here you can select which operating system you want to download. If you are in macOS, you can select macOS, or Linux, then click on Linux. But my computer is Windows, so that's why I'm selecting Windows. And if you are using Windows, then you can click Windows. After clicking on that, then you will come over this download section, and you can see that downloading started. It's only 133 MB. It depends on your internet speed, how fast it downloads. Download is completed, and after that you just need to click on this folder icon over here. Click on that, and they will automatically redirect you to the folder that is downloaded, this OBS Studio. So just click on that for installation. And you can see that OBS Studio installing, permission required. Click yes for the permission. Click next, next, and if you want to change the folder, just click on browse, and I will going to keep it into Powerhouse, so click OK. If you want to change the location, you can, that's not a big deal. And then click install, and you can see the installation is going on. So here you can see the installation is completed. So after that, you just need to click on finish. And after a little bit time, you can see that the OBS Studio desktop icon is showing over here. Now we will going to click it for open it, and you will get this kind of interface over here. So if you now click on launch anyway, and there will be a auto configuration wizards. Click on next, and if you want to set it by yourself, you can do it, but for now, just click on next. And just close it, and you can see your OBS Studio is running over here, you can see. So this is how you can download OBS 30.2.3 into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.